Sanya, and I'm going to tell you all about my innovation journey. Let's start with what an innovator is. It's someone who starts and manages their own company or business and kind of grows on something that already exists and makes it better. And let's talk a little bit about who I am. I created the Sania Box and the Eco Bottles. I've done this entrepreneurship journey 2 times now, and I want to do it more. I wrote 5 books by the time I was 10. I really love music, reading, and Marvel movies. And my greatest passions are the environment, STEAM learning, and women's education. So, what I first created is the Sania Box, which is a Raspberry Pi exploration kit. If any of you know, the Raspberry Pi is a mini computer. It's one of the smallest computers available on the market that you can connect to any monitor, and it's fully functional. And the highlight of the box is the Sania Box add-on board, which is an easy way to play and learn. You can plug this, like I said, you can plug it into any monitor, and the box comes with extra lights, a breadboard, a keyboard, a mouse, and basic programs to explore the add-on board. And its goal is to raise STEAM learning around the world and get people interested in the Raspberry Pi at a very low cost. So let's talk a little bit about the add-on board. So the Sania Box comes with a push button, temperature sensors, a buzzer, a relay, 7-segment LED, and so much more. It has a frame that really easily attaches to the Raspberry Pi, and it comes with a SIM card with pre-programmed tools to help you experiment with the new things on the Sania Box add-on board. If any of you want to see it up close, I'll be over there, and I can tell you a little bit more about the board. The Sania Box runs on Python, which is a primitive programming language. It's considered one of the easiest and most applicable programming language because its syntax is very close to English. So I thought it would be a good idea to increase ease for children. It's mainly used for things such as website and software development, task automation, data analysis, and data visualization. Like I said, the Sania Box comes with these pre-programmed Python codes to teach kids the language and get them kind of familiar with all the possibilities you can do with it. Let's talk about what I like to call the 3 I's: inspiration, invention, and innovation. Inspiration is that spark in your head that lights you up to invent or innovate. I was inspired when I saw a need in the market, had a desire to create, and wanted to help everyone solve this problem. The Sania Box made Raspberry Pi exploration neater and more fun. I mean, what caused me to create the Sania Box in the first place is that I had always been interested in programming, and I had always been interested in the Raspberry Pi. But every time I wanted to do something interesting with it was so complicated to get all the jumper wires and the breadboard, and I wanted to connect the breadboard to another thing that I'd have to wait like several days for on Amazon, and it was just so annoying, and it made me not even want to use the Raspberry Pi anymore. So just having it all on one simple board that you could attach made it so much easier. And I'll tell you a little bit more about this later, but I also created the Eco Bottles, where I noticed that the other water bottles just weren't really doing it for me, and plastic waste is such a huge problem. So invention is creating your own original product, such as like Henry Ford. It's really difficult to create something brand new because humanity has been on for so long that every completely original idea has basically been done. That's why we've turned to innovation, which is improving upon something that's already been created, such as Elon Musk. The car had already existed, but he innovated on it by creating an electric car, the Tesla. Most entrepreneurs innovate. Like all innovators, all inventors, they all deal with the same problem. failure. I've dealt with failure so many times, and I realize it's just something you need to get used to. My troubles with Kickstarter. I had worked so long on the Sania Box, and it meant so much to me. But then when I put it on the market, our project was rejected. They didn't really see that the Sania Box implemented on the Raspberry Pi. They thought I had just repackaged the Raspberry Pi and was trying to sell it as my This devastated me because I had worked so long and so hard for this, and it seemed like everything I had done was just taken away from the sorry, your product has been rejected. And then with my eco bottles, when we tried to place it on Kickstarter, we didn't have the physical product with us since it was being prototyped and made in the factory. And they rejected that too. I also had troubles with myself. 3 years ago, I gave a presentation to about 400 kids in a school in my dad's hometown, Demo. And I was so nervous. The hour before the presentation, I was breathing hard, I was panicking, I cried so hard because I was scared I would fail, I would mess up, I would trip up on a word, and I kind of held myself back. I'm not really proud of the presentation I gave that day. But as Henry Ford says, failure is simply an opportunity to start again. I had to learn to overcome and adapt. With the Sanya, with my personal troubles and my self-doubt, I realized that practice makes perfect. And I practiced with people I felt secure around to gain confidence for unknown audiences. And then when I came back to the school a year later, I was able to deliver the best presentation I feel like I've ever delivered.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Can you explain how this is helping you in your college admission process that you're going through now? Whatever you've learned and your project and everything, is it helping you? If yes, how?
Yeah, I definitely say that the Sania Box and the Eco Bottle, and actually the entire journey, it's really helped me in the college admission process, because not only are creating your own product and selling it on the market pretty stunning extracurriculars, I think that having the stories and having the experience I have has really helped me with my college essay and writing my anecdotes and it's kind of made me understand what I want to do in my life going forward.